What's good guys, my name is Oleg Nikitin and you're watching No Limit Zone and you're welcome to my tech kitchen. And today I have a review of 5 different microphones for smartphones to raise up your game with smartphone cinematography. Let's go. So guys, today we have 5 different microphones, 3 for the iOS devices with a lightning port and also 2 with the standard mini jack. So today we have Comica V509MI, Røde videomic ME-L, Zoom IQ iOS, Comica CVM-VS-08 with the mini jack, and the Boya BY-a100 also with a mini jack. I'll tell you about the prices, the differences, we'll check the sound here and outside, and we'll find the best microphone. I have my own ranking, so I'll give some points to different microphones, and in the end we'll find out the best one. Let's start off with the Comica microphone for the iOS. I'm gonna call it Comica for iOS because it has a pretty long name. This microphone is very compact and has a special construction where you can actually rotate the microphone itself 180 degrees, which is nice. Also, it has the headphones input. You know, I actually do like the construction of this microphone. It costs around 80 bucks depending on where you buy this one. In my ranking system, the higher the price, the lower the amount of points the microphone is going to get. So in my ranking, the Comica gets 3 points for the price. So now let's talk about the weight and size of this microphone. It's a pretty lightweight microphone, it weighs only 36 grams and actually it's pretty compact. It comes in a very nice kind of leisure case and also with this pop filter, which is also very nice. And for this size and weight, it gets 3 points from me. And now the usability and the ease of use. It's pretty straightforward, you just plug it into your phone and it starts working. Also, it rotates in 180 degrees and it's very convenient if you like selfies and then you shoot something in front of you. So this is a great addition. 5 points from me for the usability. And now about the kit. This microphone has the pouch and the pop filter, so 2 extra points for the kit. Also, this microphone has the headphones input, so you can plug it into your phone and then plug in your headphones and monitor your audio, which is nice. 1 more point for that. Extra features. This microphone features the mute button, so you can hit this and it will turn red. It means that there is no more audio into your phone. But when you hit it again, it turns blue and it's just working. So 1 more extra point for this. My kitchen is pretty echoey and will not have the, the perfect conditions for the sound recording while vlogging, so that is why it's a good test. And now let's plug in the Comica microphone. So the Comica microphone is plugged in and it's looking directly at my mouth. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, mic check. And now we're recording through the Voice Memos app. It's a stock app for the iOS devices and let's see what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, mic check. 1, 2, 3, mic check. I'll make a separate comparison outside and you'll see it a little bit later. In the chapters of the video you can also check this out. I've tested the pop filters and the dead cats of those microphones also. Of course, I have already listened through the whole bunch of microphones and in terms of sound quality, this Comica microphone gets 2 points from me. So the overall score of this Comica microphone is 20. So let's move on. So now let's test the Røde video mic for the iOS devices. It's a pretty nice microphone, it's a shotgun mic and it has a pretty nice dead cat right here. It fits perfectly and it just cancels the wind noise. I've been testing it for around 20 minutes outside and it's just working perfectly. It was very windy outside, and I just got the good results from it. So it's a nice feature of this microphone. Let's start with the pricing. This microphone costs around from $75 to $85 depending on where you buy this, and it gets 2 points from me for the pricing. Now let's talk the size and weight. It's pretty compact, as you can see, comparing it with the iPhone 8. And actually it weighs only 28 grams, so it gets 4 points from me for the size and weight. And now about the usability of this microphone. You can plug it in like so for making selfies and selfie videos, or you can plug this in a different way because the lightning port has the connectors on both sides and you can use it as a straight, camera microphone. So for the usability, it gets 3 points. And now about the kit. It's a small one, we have only the dead cat, but it's a very high quality dead cat, and also we get the special attachment for the microphone, and it attaches more secure on your iPhone or iPad or iOS device, whatever, so it gets 2 extra points for the kit. Some extra benefits: this Rode video mic comes with a 2-year warranty from Rode company, which is nice. 1 extra point for this. So guys, now let's test this microphone in video mode. 1, 2, 3, mic check. 1, 2, 3, mic check. And now we're testing out the Rode video mic for the iOS in the Voice Memos app. 1, 2, 3, mic check. And now a little bit closer. 1, 2, 3, mic check. So guys, let's move on, and here we have the Zoom IQ6 for iOS devices. It's a pretty professional tool actually. It has a knob so you can choose the gain level. Also it has some indicators that are shining with different colors, and you can see if your audio is being distorted. It has 2 microphones XY pattern, and you can choose from 120 degrees to 90 degrees kind of angle of capturing the sound. And I do enjoy using this thing, but it's a not good solution for vlogging because it attaches like so to your phone and it captures the sound from the side, not from the front. So if you want to use it as a recorder, it's a nice solution. So let's test this out. So first, let's talk pricing. This costs around 120 to 130 bucks, depending on where you buy this, of course. And actually it gets only 1 point from me because of the very high price. You can buy something like Zoom H1N for this price, but if you want to stay compact and use your smartphone, your iOS device, you can actually use this thing. And now let's talk the size and weight. It weighs 30.5 grams, which is not very, heavy, but if you attach the pop filter, which is pretty big, so you can actually use it like so, but it's getting a little bulky for the phone. And it gets only 1 point from me for the size and weight. And now let's talk about the usability. Actually, it's a pretty convenient thing. It has different patterns, like you can use it in 90 degrees area, 120 degrees area, but when you attach it to your phone like so, it only catches the sound from the bottom of your phone, and you cannot use it in a different way actually, so that is why it gets only 2 points from me for the usability. And now about the kit. We don't have any bags or cases for this microphone, we get only this pop filter. It's a great quality pop filter, and we get actually, this microphone gets 1 point from me for this. And now about the extra benefits. We get a nice free app. I'll show it with the screen recording right now. Also, as I said before, we can regulate and change the pattern, and we can select the gain. We can actually change the gain level, and it gets 3 extra points from me for all of those features. And signal to noise ratio is 130 dB, and it's awesome. And it gets 5 more points from me for this feature. Unfortunately, I got some digital eerie sounds when I was recording it in a video mode outside, so let's check if it's okay here. Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. 1 2 3, mic check. It turns out that those sounds were because of the flight mode was off, and now it's turned on, and in the flight mode we don't get some extra eerie digital sounds. And now I'm recording the sound through the Zoom app. It's a free app and I really enjoy using it. It has some functionality in it. So let's check. 1 2 3, mic check. And a little bit closer. 1 2 3, mic check. So the sound quality of this microphone is outstanding, and it gets 5 points from me. And the overall score is 19 points. It's a great addition to your smartphone, but it has some limitations and it's pretty pricey. So that is why it's not winning yet. And now let's test the Comica microphone with the mini jack. And actually it looks like the Rode video mic, but a little bit bigger and heavier. So let's check this out. The price of this microphone is pretty low. It comes at around 20 to 25 to 30 bucks, and it gets 4 points from me. It weighs 35 grams and it gets 2 points from me because it's a pretty bulky and heavy microphone for a smartphone. The usability is the same as the Rode video mic, and actually you can use it in any direction if your phone has the input for mini jack. So 3 points from me. And now about the kit. It's a pretty big one. Actually, we have the pop filter, which is a very high quality pop filter. Also, we get the dead cat, but it's much worse than the Røde video mic. And it's actually bringing in the wind and the air, so it's not that convenient. And also you get the special attachment to fix it on your phone, so it's not wobbling. 3 points from me. The headphones input is also here, so 1 more point. No more extra benefits for Comica microphone, so it only gets 0 points for this. The signal to noise ratio is 58 dB SPL, so it gets only 1 point because it's the worst result among all 5 microphones. To use this microphone properly, I need my adapter from Lightning to, mini jack. And it's an original one, and I'll be using it like so. So let's test this microphone. Actually, let's put the pop filter on. So let's test the sound quality in video mode. 1, 2, 3, mic check. And now let's check it in the voice memos app. 1, 2, 3, mic check. And now a little bit closer. 1, 2, 3, mic check. The sound quality of this microphone for me is 3 points, and the overall score is 17 points. And the last but not the least is the microphone from Boya with 3.5mm jack input. It can actually rotate 90 degrees, and you can plug it into your phone and use it like so or like so. And actually it's omnidirectional microphone, not a shotgun as the previous microphones except for the Zoom microphone. And let's try this out. It's the cheapest microphones among all of those, and it costs less than $20, so 5 points from me. It weighs only 18 grams and it also very small and compact, also 5 points from me. The usability is also on par. It gets 4 points from me because you can plug it in, you can rotate it like so, 90 degrees, and in the phone you can just rotate it in whatever way, so 4 points. In the kit we only get this pouch, which is a nice addition, but actually I'd prefer the dead cat or the pop filter, so 1 point extra. Unfortunately, it doesn't have the headphones input, so no more extra points for this. No more extra advantages of this microphone, so once again, 0 points. The signal to noise ratio is 76 dB SPL, which is the second from the last place result, so 2 more extra points. Let's check the sound. 1, 2, 3, mic check. And now in the voice memos app. 1, 2, 3, mic check. And a little closer. 1, 2, 3, mic check. So the sound quality for me is not on par with this microphone, so it gets only 1 point here, and the overall score is 18 points. So guys, now I'm going to play back the all sound recordings from all different microphones so you can compare those side by side, and afterwards we'll compare it outside. We'll see the dead cats if they are working and the pop filters if they are working, and then we'll go back and I'll tell you the conclusion. 1, 2, 3, mic check. 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 So guys, now I'm testing out the Comica microphone, which is, multi-directional, and it's around 15 centimeters away from my mouth. Mic check, 1, 2. Now I'm using the Comica microphone with the recording app, and we'll check if it's a little different than recording with the video. 1, 2, mic check. So now I'm recording with the Røde microphone. It has a pretty big dead cat, as you can see, guys. Mic check, 1, 2. And now I'm recording the Røde microphone with the special recording app, the stock recording app in the iPhone. Mic check, 1, 2. So now guys, I'm using the Zoom recording kind of microphone extra device, and I'm using it in a vlog style, but it's directional to the other side. That is why I'm gonna turn the phone and check the wind noise and the sound quality of it. Mic check, 1, 2. Mic check, 1, 2. And now I'm recording into the Zoom special app via this microphone and the app which is provided. Mic check, 1, 2. And it's pretty windy, guys. I'm not sure if the microphone and the wind protection is doing okay. So now I'm using the special adapter from the iPhone to the mini jack, and I'm using the microphone from Comica with the special, dead cat, wind protection, mic check, 1, 2. And now we're using the Comica microphone through the adapter, the Lightning to mini jack, through the dictaphone recording app, the standard on the iPhone, mic check, 1, 2. Now the Boya microphone without the wind protection, mic check, 1, 2. And now we're using the Boya microphone through the recording app in the iPhone, mic check, 1, 2. No wind protection here. Mic check, 1, 2. 1, 2, mic check. Mic check, 1, 2. 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 So guys, now let's conclude. The last place is for Comica with mini jack with 17 points, then Boya with 18 points, then the Zoom IQ6 for the Lightning, it gets 19 points, then the microphone from Comica for the iOS devices, only 20 points, and the winner is the Røde video mic for iOS devices. I highly recommend this microphone, I enjoyed using it and has a pretty great kit. So smash the like and subscribe buttons, as I say in my videos, if you like the content. And please, I'm asking you a question: what microphone do you use for your mobile devices? Please write your thoughts in the comment section below, I highly appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care, bye.